Years ago when I first started in food and I was running production kitchens, my produce guy was a Golden Gloves champ and he had a boxing gym. And he played Donna Summer and like really cool disco music. And he got all the ladies in town to come to his gym. And it might have been one of the first in the country, a boxing program. I used to box all the time. And I know you're obsessed with boxing, right? You're a big boxing fan.
Yes, I am.
Do you also box or are you a fan of boxing?
No, I don't like to get hit in the face. Yes. So,
as long as I have gear on, I actually loved being in the ring and I loved punching. It was just fun.
It's a great form of exercise and also a form of discipline. And
That's
it teaches you how to be tenacious and committed to whatever goal you are setting for yourself. And I'm so glad that you said you're into boxing because there are a lot of women that are into boxing.
It's a very empowering thing.
It really, really is.
I'm too old for it now, let me just say. This is when I was a kid, but it takes a lot of energy.
It takes a lot of energy.
Is there a connection with your husband, your sweetie? You had something to do with boxing?
Well, we're both boxing fans, but I'm more the avid fan. But what had happened was we were going to go see Mayweather versus Canelo in Las Vegas, and he said, hey, why don't we get married after the fight? And I was like, oh my God!
Shut up, did you?
Yes!